up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell eight homies and them and eight partners in them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, yeah, y'all, by the time y'all see this video, it's after Christmas. But yeah, this Christmas I didn't want anything, and when I did want it, I got it. So my Christmas list for myself was to get Luna, my poo-poo, which is a pure breed Shih Tzu, a female, and I wanted these sneakers. Oh my gosh. So y'all, what was I doing? I think I was looking up different release dates for sneakers, because y'all know I'm dating and the boo thing is into sneakers. So I was looking at the release dates and I seen these right here. Baby fire. So these are the Jason Tatum's 3, the Sidewalk chalk. Y'all know me, I love different funky covers. I was gonna say funky covers. No, I like different funky colors. So I thought these was cute. They're pastel, and y'all, tell me these ain't cute. These are so cute. Usually I don't be on sneakers. Y'all know I'm a sneakerhead, but I've calmed down a lot on sneakers, because when I used to get sneakers, I used to get like 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes at a time. But I'm like, girl, just stop it, because now y'all know I'm addicted to Crocs. So most of the time I'm wearing Crocs. Like, I have my sneaker collection. I don't even touch them, you know. But I seen these and I had to get them because I love high top shoes, or low tops, but majority of the time I love high top shoes, and I like stuff that's different. I thought these were so cute. These are in the size 11. I did try these on, because y'all know sometimes I get 11, 11 and a half. But with these ones, I would say just get your exact whole size. I wouldn't get a half size, but definitely go in the store and try them on just in case. But these fit perfect, and I still got a lot of room in them with just an 11. I don't know if my feet are shrinking because of the weight loss, which 9 times out of 10 it probably is. But y'all, these are so fly. They're cute. Like the colorway, what is this, like a tan, a peachy color, blue, purple. Like, y'all, I thought this was so cute. And I tried them on already. Like I said, they fit. They're comfortable. If I'm not mistaken, this is considered a basketball shoe. I don't play basketball, especially now with my bad knees and back. So I wear basketball shoes just for the sport of it, because they're comfortable to me. So I throw on some leggings or some jogging pants with a graphic tee or a jacket or a cardigan, and I wear my sneakers. Y'all know I'm not a girly girl or a heel girl, because I got bad feet and they're flat. So I'm always looking for a good, comfortable, nice sneaker, and y'all, this is it. Price point, because these came out in December, which I got them like a week or 2 after they came out. So they, for my size, for 11, they was like 1 something. They were under 120, or maybe 130, 20ish after tax. I purchased them from Dick's online. Yeah, y'all, these are cute. So I just had to come on here and show y'all, like, I had to come on here and show y'all, these are so stinking cute. They don't come with, like, you know, some shoes come with like extra laces or anything like that. They didn't come with extra laces, which is fine, because knowing me, I'm not going to change laces. I just think the black on black, because the tongue is black, the inside is black, I think I'm just going to keep the shoelaces black. But y'all, this is cute. These are cute. And these are the Jason Tatum 3s, Sidewalk chalk shoes, high tops, in a size 11. So definitely check these out. I just wanted to share that with y'all, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.